Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, The Rebel Neon Amica, and today, as you saw, I'm showing the Crayola Metallics. I just recently got these ones. I know they've been out for a while, but they are new to me, and I wanted to talk about it because I've been loving them so much lately. I can stop lettering on black paper now. And I got them like for $5 or something like that, and I can't believe they are so good, so juicy, so pigmented and vibrant. The pack that I got has 8 colors, which weirdly enough it doesn't include a metallic red. I just thought that was strange. I was missing the red in there, but whatever. There is another metallic set from Crayola that is called Art with an Edge. In that set, you can find 10 colors instead of 8, but I couldn't find that set, so I got this one. I can say that it's worth every penny because you just get so much juice from them. Like the ink flow is constant. You don't have to prime them or shake them or anything. I just got them out of the box and they were like, woo, going away. They were writing beautifully. So it gets kind of addictive, to be honest. You can enhance your drawings with them if you are a hand lettering lover like me. You can do me and my tongue, like fake calligraphy. I was gonna say it in the sophisticated way, but my tongue didn't help me out. Oh gosh, those who follow me must be used to this already. Um, anyway, the swatches are gorgeous. My favorite one is the gold one you're seeing right now, and the copper. They are mesmerizing, and again, you're gonna get constant flow from them. I don't really have too much to say about them because I just want to show you the swatches and stuff. Maybe I should just shut up, play some music, and let you see the colors, right? But we are getting to the end of the video. This is the last part, I promise. These are the swatches of all of them together. I'm gonna just let you enjoy that. Thank you so much for being here, guys, for subscribing, for liking, for whatever you do. It helps me a lot and it motivates me to keep on doing what I love to do, which is buy markers and talk to them. Talk to you about them. Okay, I am like this all the time, with or without coffee. So thanks so much for watching and see you on the next.